So let's look at some nice vocabulary words, right? So the first word is scrumptious. Scrumptious. Even the pronunciation has to be proper. So can someone tell me the meaning if you know? Anyone who knows the meaning of this? Scrumptious is a word which we use to say it was delicious or it was very tasty, right? Next word is sumptuous. Sumptuous. Any idea what this is about?
Luxurious.
Expensive, maybe.
Expensive or grand, opulent. Something which is rich. That is sumptuous. Third one, relentless. Relentless.
Steady.
Sorry?
Impatient, ma'am.
Steady.
Impatient. Someone who is very dedicated and committed and he's doing something tirelessly. Right? So this is what relentless means. Entice. Entice.
Attract.
To attract. To attract or to tempt, to allure. ये सारे जो words मैं लिख रही हूँ ना, all these are synonyms. They mean the same thing. But look at the advancement of a word, right? So जब हम tasty use करते हैं, it's a very simple basic word. When I say the food was delicious, it means good. When I say the pastry was scrumptious, it's a very advanced level of vocabulary which you have. You're saying the same thing, but in a better word, in a more specific and a more elaborate word, right? Endorse. Endorse.
Promote.
Promote.
Google.
Advertise. Support. Right? This is what endorse means. Debilitate. Debilitate. To drain or to weaken someone. This is what means. Some teachers debilitate their students. They weaken their students. They don't support or improve them. They discourage them. Timid. What does timid mean?
Tired.
No. Timid does not mean tired. Timid means scared or frightened. Right? Being a bit apprehensive. This is what timid means. Next, sociable. Any idea of this word? Sociable. The hint is
Engaging,
right.
ma'am. Engaging.
Engaging, okay. Interactive.
Interactive.
Or if I use a phrase, a social butterfly. ये एक phrase है. Right? Someone who is very extroverted and very open to meeting people and is very engaging, very interactive. That is what sociable. He is a very sociable person. This is what it means. Right? Last word, recluse. Recluse. What does this mean?
Isolate.
To isolate, or someone who is a hermit.
Secret.
Secret, not so much.
An introvert, ma'am.
It's a close word. It's a close word, but it's not similar. It's a different category related to that, but a different category.
Seclude.
Seclude. Yes. Secluded, I would also say. So these are some words, but look at these words and look at these words. I support this, or if I say I endorse this, there's a difference. There's a difference in the power and the language of the word, right? So try to use synonyms, try to use good vocabulary to describe your ideas. And you can always go onto the website and I will show you how to download the ebook. We have plenty of material available on that, so you can use that.